right, we're gonna do a little patch here, go over the basic fundamentals, doing some patchwork around the house. And right here we have some concrete. This is a real typical, this is a really nice mix right here. High performance repair mortar. It's a fast drying, 20 to 40 minute set time. That's what we'll be using here. Also, we're gonna be using some Bondcrete. We're gonna brush this in here. Here's the areas we're patching, right where the garage floor meets the driveway. It's a real common area because you have the vehicles changing on a cold joint. The load is going from one slab to the next, and there's always a little movement in between the two. So you get this a lot, and this is how we're gonna fix it. Take a little of this. I've already shook it up a little. I'm gonna pour some in. I don't really have a brush on me, so I'm just gonna use my finger, you know. Oh, here's a brush. I'll use this one. Now, you have to let this dry a little bit. Not completely dry, but it has to be moist, a little tacky. That's the right time to apply this, whatever kind of coating you're gonna put on there. I'm gonna take this sponge, wipe off the excess off of the concrete surrounding area. All right, it's nice and tacky. It's been about 5-10 minutes. Scoop a little bit of this out of here. Throw it in here. All right, let's see how far it goes. It's easy to put too much water. Then you got to add more of the dry if you have any left. So I use a sponge and just put the right amount, little by little. Notice I'm tilting the bucket down, so everything's falling into this little corner right here. Pretty stiff right there. I'm gonna put a little bit more. You know, it's easy to add water. It's really hard to take it out. I don't want this patch to overlap onto the other slab at all. I really don't even want it to touch it. That way, when they shift and move around, they're not bound and it won't chip off again. There, that's pretty good for just a quick starter there. Leave that alone, move on to the next one. We gotta get this stuff down before it gets hard. And we can come back on it, shape it up with just a basic sponge. First, we'll start with the cleanup on this. That wraps it up. It's a real sweet, simple patch. The whole process took me about 15 minutes, start to finish. And who knows how long that's gonna last. But we'll find out in the near future. Thanks for watching and good luck with your patching projects.